How to replace the NV battery on the AFF A70 and AFF A90 family of systems. Determine the status of the controller and, if necessary, take over the impaired controller. If auto support is enabled, suppress automatic case creation by invoking the following auto support message. Ensure that all drives in the chassis are firmly seated against the midplane. Gently push each drive until you feel a positive stop. Ensure you are properly grounded. To remove power, disconnect the power cords from the power supply. Label and remove all system cables. Press down on both of the locking latches and then rotate both latches downward at the same time to remove the controller. Open the air duct cover to locate the NV battery. Lift the battery up to access the battery plug. Squeeze the clip on the face of the battery plug to release and remove the battery. Install the replacement battery pack into the controller, ensuring that the plug is locked into place, and then close the air duct cover. Carefully align and slide the controller module back into the chassis. Ensure that the controller is not engaged with the backplane. Recable the storage system as needed. If you removed the transceivers, QSFP or SFP, remember to reinstall them. Firmly push the controller module into the chassis until it meets the midplane and is fully seated and locked into place. To restore power, plug the power cords back into the power supplies. Boot on tap at the loader prompt. Return the impaired controller to normal operation by giving back its storage. If automatic giveback was enabled, re-enable it. If auto support is disabled, restore and unsuppress automatic case creation. The final step in the replacement process is to return the failed part back to NetApp by following the RMA instructions shipped with the kit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.